In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Airtable API key using a personal access token. To get started, open Airtable and log in to your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one account or collaborate across multiple teams. Starting from the right account helps prevent confusion later when you choose permissions and access settings. Once you're inside Airtable, go to the Builder Hub or the Developer Hub. This is where Airtable provides tools for building integrations, automations, and API connections. If you're creating a token for use with another app, a script, or a workflow tool, this is the section where you'll manage that access. From there, choose the option to create a new personal access token. In Airtable, personal access tokens are used in place of older API key methods and give you more control over what the token can do. That's important because it allows you to limit access to only what's actually needed. Next, give the token a name. Choose something clear and recognizable so you can identify it later. For example, you might name it based on the tool or project it will be connected to. A specific name makes it much easier to manage your tokens over time, especially if you create more than one. After naming the token, select the permissions, also called scopes. This determines what the token is allowed to do. For instance, you may choose permission to read records, write records, or both, depending on your use case. It's a good idea to grant only the access you truly need. Keeping permissions limited is a smart security habit and helps reduce risk. Then choose the base or workspace the token should be able to access. This step is important because it defines where the token will work. Be careful to select the correct base, especially if your Airtable account contains multiple projects or environments. Once everything looks right, create the token. Airtable will generate it for you, and at that point, copy it immediately. This token functions like your API key, so it's essential to capture it when it appears. Finally, save the token somewhere secure. Treat it like a password because anyone with access to it may be able to interact with your Airtable data based on the permissions you selected. Store it in a safe place, avoid sharing it in plain text, and keep it private. That's it. You now have an Airtable personal access token ready to use as your API key.